Apple's most affordable iPhone just got smarter. I'd like you to meet the iPhone 16e, an AI-powered, budget-friendly, and surprisingly capable smartphone. Released on the 28th of February 2025, the iPhone 16e is Apple's latest entry-level smartphone designed to bring advanced features to a broader audience, including Apple Intelligence. So, kicking off with the specs, the display is a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 2532 by 1170 at 460 ppi with HDR support. The device build, right? It's an aluminium frame with a glass back and front and is available in black and white, weighing 167 grams. But I must say that the device itself feels very different compared to the normal iPhones. And I mean, I shouldn't be one to talk because I've only held maybe 3 iPhones in my entire life. So it is running iOS 18.3, and for a processor it has the Apple A18 chip with 6 cores for the CPU and 4 cores for the GPU. It's available in 128, 256 and 512 gigabyte storage with 8 gigs of RAM. This supports 5G network connectivity, and in terms of Wi-Fi, it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3 and NFC and USB type and a Type-C port at the bottom. In terms of the battery can give you 26 hours worth of video playback and supports QI wireless charging up to 7.5 watts with USB Type-C wired charging. The rear camera is one of the main differences with this device, with a 48 Fusion rear camera with 2x telephoto, and it has a 12 megapixel front-facing camera. It has a customizable action button on the device with Face ID, IP68 water and dust resistance, and how I've mentioned the Apple Intelligence integration. Now, when it comes to the pricing of this device, right? This device is tailored for users seeking a balance between performance and affordability. It's perfect for students, perfect for individuals, and anyone that wants to break into the iOS or Apple market, right? Anyone wanting a reliable iPhone experience without a premium price tag. So speaking of prices, this device is starting off at 15,999 rands and is available through the iStore, Vodacom and any of the other retailers. There are payment options where you can get it on a plan, and I think it starts from 1,300 and some odd rands a month with Vodacom. So what sets the iPhone 16e apart from its Apple Intelligence integration? It's bringing AI-driven features to a budget-friendly device. So you get AI-powered tools for writing assistance, right? You get AI-powered tools for photo editing and much more. The customizable action button for quick access to your favorite features. You get an enhanced battery life offering up to 26 hours worth of video playback. But what really makes the iPhone 16e stand out in a lineup that includes the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro, and previous budget options like the iPhone SE? Let's start with the design. The iPhone 16e takes a cue from the standard iPhone 16 with the rounded corners and its edge-to-edge display that's slightly more refined in terms of ergonomics. And if you compare this to the iPhone SE, it's in another league because it ditches the dated Touch ID and massive bezels for a more modern full screen OLED design with Face ID integration. What's also different is the dual camera setup, with this having a 48 megapixel main sensor and a dedicated 2x telephoto lens. This is the first time that we're seeing a telephoto in an entry-level camera. There's also this new customizable action button Previously, this was exclusive to the Pro models, letting you assign shortcuts like launching the camera, toggling focus modes, or even activating voice memos with a single press. Perhaps most importantly, the iPhone 16e is one of the first budget iPhones with Apple Intelligence support, bringing powerful on-device AI features to users at a much lower price point. Side by side with an iPhone 13 or even an iPhone 14 and the iPhone 16e, this feels more modern, faster, slimmer, and more capable. And obviously, you're getting top tier specs in a body that's sleek and built to last. Now, coming to the pros and the cons. Starting off, first pro, high quality OLED display. Second is the powerful A18 chip that ensures smooth performance. Third is the excellent battery life. And fourth, you have the advanced camera capabilities at this low price point. Coming to the cons, number one, this lacks MagSafe compatibility, right? I mean, it's a budget smartphone. Number two, there's no ultra-wide camera lens. Again, it's a budget smartphone. I'm just listing some things that would have been nice to have. Number three is the fact that this comes with Wi-Fi 6. So this is missing out on 6E and Wi-Fi 7. But again, it's a budget smartphone. So you don't expect that much. I mean, but as much as it is a budget iPhone, yeah, for its price, you know. So the iPhone 16e offers a compelling package for its price, balancing performance, camera quality, battery life, and especially Apple Intelligence, while it omits some premium features. And it stands out as a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. And maybe this is Apple trying to move away from its premium feature or its premium price tag and break into that mid-range smartphone market. But all in all, the iPhone 16e is a well-rounded device that brings many of Apple's latest innovations to a more accessible price point. And it's an excellent choice for those that are looking to enter the Apple ecosystem or even upgrade from one of their many older devices without breaking the bank. So guys, thank you very much for watching. A big shout out to the iStore for sending us this device to review and give you our honest opinions. If you want to pick one up, there's a link in the description to the iStore or any of their partners where you can find it, MTN, Vodacom, whatever. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving a like rating if you did. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about the iPhone 16e? Whether it's Apple taking a shot at the mid-range market or it's just Apple trying to sell more iPhones. Guys, thanks for watching. My name is Prashant and I will catch you in the next video.